In this video, we will walk you through the assembly process of our mobility scooter. Start off by opening up and unboxing the package. Go ahead and remove all of the contents from the box. Unhook the strap on the foot pedal and slowly turn the front wheel forward. Make sure the wires are moving smoothly inside the frame tube and fold the clasp closed. Next, insert the handlebar into the main frame and close the seat post clamp. Insert the seat into the frame of the scooter. Adjust the clevis pin to the proper hole for your desired seat height and close the seat clamp. While you're at it, go ahead and adjust the handlebar height as well. Insert the 48-volt battery and close the battery cover. Insert the additional battery into the battery storage compartment and install the front basket. Power on your scooter and you are now ready to ride.